In this tutorial, we'll show you how to screen an order for fraud using the FraudLabs Pro ChatGPT Bot. First, log into your ChatGPT account. Then, go to the Explore GPT's marketplace. Search for FraudLabs Pro and then select the FraudLabs Pro ChatGPT Bot. Click Start Chat to begin using the bot. For a quick start, select the Screen an Order for Fraud option. The bot will prompt you to enter your FraudLabs Pro API key. If you do not have one, you may sign up for free at fraudlabspro.com. Let's go to the FraudLabs Pro dashboard page. Copy the API key. Paste your API key in the chat. Let's go to the FraudLabs Pro ChatGPT tutorial page. Click on How to Screen an Order Transaction. Copy the sample order details. Go back to the chat and paste the details. You can replace the sample details with your own order information, as this is only an example. The bot will then return the fraud screening result. This is the fraud screening result. You can review it and decide whether to approve or reject it. If you want to reject the order, simply tell ChatGPT to reject it. The bot will mark the order as rejected. That's how you screen an order using the FraudLabs Pro ChatGPT bot. Visit fraudlabspro.com to learn more.